In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on local network. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a LAN world in Minecraft. You will be able to play between you and your friends, and everyone is going to be able to join the world easily as long as you are all on the same network. So first, make sure that you connect to the same network. Now, one of you will have to host the world, so go over to play and then find the specific world that you would like to host. What you have to do here is first click on this little pencil icon to change the settings about the world. Now go under multiplayer settings. And as you can see here, we have the option to make this world visible to LAN players. So first, enable multiplayer game, choose between invite only, friends only. I recommend that you leave it on friends only, and then you turn on visible to LAN players. This is very important. This is what allows us to join other people who are on the same network. So once this is enabled, just go ahead and host the world. Now, if you are hosting the world, you will have to stay within the world. After you enable visible to LAN players, you just have to open the world and keep playing. Everyone else who is going to be joining will have to go back into the home screen and switch over to the Friends tab. Now, sadly, I cannot demonstrate this because I am recording this video alone, but if I was still hosting the world, I would be able to find it here. So you will find your friend's world right underneath joinable friends, and you just have to go ahead and join them. Usually, you don't need to add them to your friends list on any platform. As long as you are on the same network, you would be able to join, but you can add them just to be sure, and you would be able to find them here, and you just have to select them. As long as you change the settings for the world and you made it visible to LAN players, everyone else is going to be able to join if they are all on the same network as you, and you are still hosting the world. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You just have to stay within the world for it to be active. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft for friends on local network. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.